So it's Monday the 12th of September and we have got the keys for the new unit and the new Maker Space. Obviously you can see there, it's the old sign, Whitlow Engineering. We're going to be putting a new Maker Space sign up there. But this video is going to be documenting, showing you the journey of transforming this unit from an empty unit with a mezzanine, but not much in it, to a fantastic Maker Space fully kitted out. So keep watching and see the transformation. So work has already begun. This is the second day of having the key and we've already started partitioning up the space. All this timber here came from a local farm. They had a huge amount of mixed timber. Got a real good deal on all of that and we picked that up, started with it this morning, and we've already been able to frame up some of the partition walls. And we've got a huge batch of brand new timber from Howarth's, 4.8 metre lengths, 100 of, and 2.4 metre lengths. So we've got enough to do all the stud work for what will be the kitchen social area and then the classroom area at the back. So last night I was here and I fully degreased this section and spent about an hour and a half scrubbing it and cleaning it, and it looks a lot better now. So the next job is to paint it with some floor paint, and then this area will be our storage area for all the materials, and then we can grind back and resin coat the entire floor, which is going to look amazing and be a really hard wearing grey surface. So let's get to painting. So this is the first week wrap up. We've accomplished a fair bit in the first week. It's already looking amazing in here. The floor looks like liquid or like a mirror. It's so glossy. But what we did this week was we kind of started putting up some initial framing to kind of partition the area. We've got the two walls there and we've got all of the galvanized sheeting on the floor here that we're going to be using for some of the partitions. I painted this area, I degreased this 60 square meter patch and then painted it all in like floor paint so that we could put all the materials that we've already amassed here. So we've got tons, we've got literally 200 lengths of CLS timber from Howarth's, and we've got a huge big pile of wood as well from Facebook, loads of other materials. That little desk over there was free from Susan's Cove. That was on Facebook. We've had loads of bits and bobs like that I've been collecting, but we had to get it all moved into that bay so then we could get the resin floor. We had the professionals coming in on Thursday and they fully ground back the floor and painted it with 2 coats of epoxy resin, so it's really, really good. Like, literally looks like water. We've also got the gas heater over there, which is huge. We were quite lucky with that. That's a really expensive bit of kit, but we managed to get that off the person that had this unit before. They took that out. It takes 2 huge gas bottles, but that should keep the whole space nice and toasty. So stay tuned for more updates. Next week, we're going to be finishing off the partitioning and hopefully splitting up the space, and we'll be getting a wall put up in the office, creating the Fab Lab. So I'll keep you posted. Make sure to follow this Instagram and check out the other things as well, the Facebook and the, what's the other one, Twitter. And obviously go and check out the crowdfunder. So we are going to be updating some of the crowdfunder rewards. We're probably going to be adding a light membership and probably a couple of other workshops and courses. So keep checking back. Maybe there's something there for you at the moment. And if there's not, keep checking. We might add something. So any comments, any thoughts down below? I appreciate them. I'll be reading them all. And yeah, I'll stay tuned for the next update.